front of me is OPPO A53s, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then go to contacts. Let me just switch in this search option, so let's go to contacts. Then if you're in any other area, pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, and then tap on edit. Here, just select the profile picture icon, and then you can either take a photo if someone is standing right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. So let me choose a photo, then pick the source, and give all the permissions that are needed. And now just select the picture that you would like to apply, decide with which program you would like to crop it, then resize it and customize it as only you want to. Tap on done then, and click on save. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this profile picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime Rita will be calling me, this profile picture will come first. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.